Okay, so let's see what is in this guy. Here we go. Now, there's the LCD. Here is the pickup. It used to have two headers here that I had to remove to get the thing to fit, and I've soldered on. This is my serial to the board. Here is the serial power and reset to actually program the main brain in here. You can see there's a USB here that goes down here, jumps in the board there, and then it comes over to this USB. Well, I'll show you why that FTDI board is actually there. Here's infrared in and out, Ethernet chip, which is somewhere in a parts box. Two EEPROMs, and there's a very good reason for that. I'm going to call it dual boot, a dual boot system, and I'll show you what that is in a second. There's the ADC chip. Here is the battery charger. I had to pull a connector off of that to get it to fit. This trimmer is the battery level of the, well, I'll show you, of the transmitter's battery, but that's my adjust going into the ADC so the prop can read the battery level. There's a temperature probe, just because I had an extra ADC channel, I had to do something with it. Joystick, and it's a clicky one. Here's the super duper special connector. I'll show you that in a second. XB clock. Here are my PS2s. This is the switch that turns the pull-up resistors up on the PS2s because they share pins with this guy back here. USBs. Alright, but wait, there's more. We pull this guy out of here, flip her over. So here's the main prop board. See, it's just soldered with pins there. Dogs! Jesus. I had to yank a few components off this to get it to fit. And Bondo, Luna, stop. LiPo battery. Now here's the lesson to be learned, cats and kittens. Put X's on your parts that don't work. I forgot that I blew this FTDI board, and now it's soldered in, and I don't have an extra, and this green board was made part specific to fit that FTDI, and the next thing I know is I'm gluing FTDIs to the underside of the case. So put X's on parts that don't work. There's the Bluetooth, and there you go. So there is the whole thing. Double-sided battery prop. That's obviously it's a prop board USB from your friends. Oh, I can't turn the camera. From your friends at Gadget Gangster. Nick is awesome. Buy stuff from him. And this is a very, very important switch that I'll show you in a second. So there you go. There is all the guts of my new controller.